Hi, Shiloh. We got another one from Mo Willems. This one's called The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I really do. Yeah. Let's look at this. Look at this. Look at this list. Let's read a little bit. Things that Pigeon wants, including a puppy. To drive a bus, eat a hot dog all by myself, stay up late, real estate, a big red truck, turtleneck sweaters, a driver's license, a big red ball, anything suede, roller skates, french fries on demand, candy, more candy, various cheeses, striped socks, paper clips, and a puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh, hello, Pigeon says. How are you? You doing good? Yeah. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? Well, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Pigeon says. Puppy, 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 puppy. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise. I'm going to water it once a month, Pigeon says. Do we water puppies? No. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. That's not the reason, huh, Pigeon? You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon, Pigeon says. Oh, puppies! Really wants a pigeon. A puppy. I want a puppy right here, right now. Oh man, look what he's doing with his finger. Right now. Woof woof. What's that? Woof woof woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Will puppies bark like that? Woof! Ah! Pigeon says. What's Pigeon so scared of? It's huge! The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really? Oh my goodness, I had no idea. Pigeon says, I changed my mind. That's a cute puppy. Pigeon says, I want a walrus. The end. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. I love Mo Willems' books, especially the pigeon ones. Oh, I love getting to read with you so much. I miss you and I love you. And I'll see you soon. Bye.